Hello students, today we are going to do class 11th chapter 2 relation and functions, and the topic is function. We are going to do, in previous lecture we have done definition of function, type of function and writing methods of the function. Today we are going to do example on it. Here first example is given. X is a set given by A, B, C, D. Y is another set given by 1, 2, 3 and 4, and we have given different functions. We have to check they are function or not. In first part we have given A1, B1, C3, D4. In second part, A2, B1, C4, D5. If we see our first part, we are going to check by arrow diagram method, which is the best way to identify this one. This is the first set X, this is the second set 1, 2, 3, 4, another value is here 5. In second part, X set A, B, C, D, Y set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. According to first function, A is connected with 1, B is also connected with 1, C is connected with 3, D is connected with 4. According to our definition of function, every element of domain set has a unique image. Means every element of first set is connected with one element of second set. A is connected with single element, B is also connected with single element, C is connected with single, D is also connected with single. So all the conditions are satisfied, so it is a function. This is true. If we see another part, A connected with 2, B with 1, C with 4, D with 5. If we see here, A is connected with 2 only, B with 1 only, C with 4 only, D with 5. So it is also a function. So both of the given relations are function. Now we are taking another example. Our example is Y is given by X and X belongs to natural number. We are taking here 2, 3 examples. Another one, Y is given by square root of X, where X is given greater than or equal to 0. Here Y and X both are equal, where X belongs to natural number. We know that natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as so on. As we see here, X and Y both are same. If X is 1, it means Y is 1. For X equal to 2, Y is also 2. X equal to 3, Y is also 3. X equal to 4, Y also 4. It means like this. Every element gets the single image. So it is known as function. If we come out here, on the other side, Y is equal to square root of X. Here the lowest value of X is given by 0. If we see here, the square root of 0 is 0. Square root of 1 is 1. Square root of 2 is square root 2. Square root of 3 is square root 3. And so on. If we see here, every value of X is connected with single value. It means every element of domain set contain unique image in codomain set. So it is also known as function. If we see another one, Y is given by square of X, where X belongs to Z, means integer. If we see here, integer means positive as well as negative values. We are taking here 2, 3 positive and 2, 3 negative. We are discussing all of them. If we see here, if we replace X by minus 2, answer comes out 4. If we replace X by minus 1, it becomes plus 1. If we see here, if we put X equal to 0, answer becomes 0. Same here. If we see here, 2 images of getting the same answer. If we represent like this, arrow diagram, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 4. Answer of minus 2 plus 4. 2 is also 4. Answer of minus 1 is plus 1 and plus 1 is also plus 1. Answer of 0 is 0. If you see here, minus 2 has a single image 4. 2 is also having a single image 4. Same, minus 1 has a single image 1 and plus 1 has a single image 1. 0 has a single image 0. So it is known as function. So like this we can identify the type of functions. Now we are moving for further example. Suppose we have given like this. X is given by a set where values are given by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Y is another set given by 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. And f is a function here from x to y where f of x is given by 2x plus 3. If you see here, if we replace these values of domain, we have given 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. If we replace 1 by 1, if we replace 1 and we simplify, we get this answer. If we replace 2 and we simplify, we get this answer. And for 3 we get this one. For value 4 it comes out 11. For value 5 it comes out 30. If 1 is connected with 5, 2 with 7, 3 with 9, 4 with 11 and 5 with 13. Here if you see, every element has a single image. There is no repetition. It means now we have to check all our elements are of neat. Here domain is given by 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are same as set X. Now we have to check for range. Range means the used element of codomain. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. Here 5 is already there, 7 is there, 9 is there, 11 is there and 13 is also there. So it is a function. We are taking more example. Now how can we check odd function and even function? We are taking here two examples. Now rule, how can we check? If we replace x by minus x in both of the cases, if you see here, f of minus x is equal to 3 times cube of minus x minus 4 times minus x. It become over of cube of minus is minus, so we get this one. It become negative of original, so we can write like this, minus of original f of x. When the function after changing x to minus x gives us negative of original, known as odd function. On the other side, if you see here, f of minus x is equal to minus x raised to power 4 plus 5 times minus x whole square minus 6. Even power gives us plus, so we get this one. It is same as original, so it is known as even function. Like this we can identify. Now we are taking example on finding domain and range of the given function. Here there is a restriction on this part. X is not equal to 1. If you replace x equal to 1, upside becomes 0, downside also become 0. 0 by 0 form. If we see here, it is a square minus b square identity. If we apply it, we get this one, a plus b, a minus b. Here x minus 1 cancel out, so value of y become x plus 1. As it is given, x cannot be 1. It means y cannot be 1 plus 1 means 2. It means domain is every value means real number but not 1. To remove any value, we use the symbol of set. Range means answer. Any answer may be come but 2 cannot come. If you see on in this example, we have taken y is equal to square root of x, where x is restricted. X is greater than equal to 0 means always positive. When we put x equal to 0, y becomes square root of 0 means 0. When we replace x by 1, y becomes square root of 1, that is 1. It means what we observe, x goes on increasing from 0 to 1. If we continue, domain becomes 0 to infinity, positive side. And same way, if we observe the value of y here, it starts from 0 and goes on increasing in the same way of x. So range is also. Another example we are taking here, f of x plus 1 is given by 3x plus 5. This value we have given. We have to find out here f of minus 2. It means x plus 1 should be replaced by minus 2. It means value of x should be minus 2, by shifting 1 become minus 1, minus 3. So we replace it here first. We get this one. From here minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. Another part it is given. We have to find out the value of 2x. First of all, we have to convert the function according to this, taking let x plus 1 should be y. So value of x become y minus 1. So we get from function here f of x plus 1, it is given 3x plus 5. If you see here, this value replaced by y and x replaced by y minus 1. We get this one from here. Means function in term of y is given by 3y plus 2. Now according to our need, we need here f of 2x. It means y should be replaced by 2x. So we change it here. 3 times of 2x plus 2. It become here 6x plus 2. So this is our final answer. Another example we are taking here. Question is given like this. F of x is given by x raised to power 5 minus 1 upon x raised to power 5. We have to find f of x plus f of 1 by x. If we see here, f of x is already given. F of 1 by x means replace x by 1 by x. So we are changing here. Replace x by 1 by x. What we get here from here, f of 1 by x become, by simplify first term this one, second term become after reverse this one. Our question is add f of x with f of 1 by x. Means this function and this function we have to add up. When we add up, if you see these two functions are same, cancel out. These two functions are also same, cancel out. So what we get? All our cancel out, answer should be 0. Next we are taking here, value of f of x is given by x minus 1 upon x plus 1. We have to show here f of x minus 1 upon x plus 1 should be is equal to 1 by x with negative sign. First of all, we are going to change it in another variable, say y, to remove the confusion here. Now what we have to do, y replaces by this one. So y replaces by this value. Numerator become this much. Denominator become this much. If you see here, we have to take the LCM. In both cases, LCM should be same. So LCM should be cancel out. We get after LCM this one. In numerator and in denominator. If we simplify, numerator become x minus 1 minus of x minus of 1. In denominator x minus 1 plus x plus 1. Here 1 cancel out, here x cancel out. So numerator become minus 2, denominator become 2x. Cancel by 2, we get the final answer. Like this we can identify. Another we are going to take here. If function is given like 2 minus x, where x should be positive, draw the graph of it. So it is same as we have done in 10th class. We are taking 2, 3 values. As x is given greater than 0, we are taking 1, 2 and 3 only. Y means the value of f of x. If we replace x by 1, it become 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 means 1. If we replace x by 2 here, it become 2 minus 2, that is 0. If we replace x by 3, we get minus 1. To represent it, we have to draw coordinate axis, x-axis as well as y-axis. On x-axis we need only positive values. On y-axis we need negative value also. On positive 1, 2, 3, this is origin, both are 0, minus 1. First both are 1, 1. Next, at 2, 0. Next, at 3, -1. Like this, we get a straight line. So like this, we can solve the graphical method. Thank you.